All right, the crow is back, guys. We're going to try and give the crow a peanut. We don't know really what they would love to eat. Wow, he's not afraid. Come on, Mr. Crow. Would you like a peanut? Whoa, look at him.
Oh,
yeah, all right, peanut.
That.
Yeah, all right. You see how big that crow was? That's only the second time that crow has ever been here, and it's the only crow I've ever seen in South Florida. Lots of blackbirds.
But they are here.
They're here, but I mean, I've never seen them. No ravens. Ravens are huge. They're as big as a chicken. Doodle, what are you doing, Doodle? You know, Doodle and Snickerdoodle are both here. I think they're sisters. Come on.